Hey, what's up everybody? It's Wellness Verified here with your girl, Jillian. Are you busting your butt in the gym and sticking to your diet but still not seeing the scale budge? Yeah, it's frustrating as hell, I get it. You're not alone. The truth is, so many people sabotage their weight loss without even realizing it. Why? Because they're making common mistakes that are actually holding them back. That's right, there are certain pitfalls that can completely stall your progress, leaving you feeling defeated and wondering if you'll ever reach your goals. But don't lose hope. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 3 weight loss mistakes I see people making all the time. And more importantly, I'm going to give you the tools to fix them. If you're guilty of number 3, you need to stop immediately. Seriously, it's that important. So let's dive in and get you on the fast track to the body you deserve. This is a big one, guys. You cannot starve yourself thin. Think eating way less will help you lose weight faster? Wrong. It backfires big time. When you drastically cut calories, your body goes into survival mode. It thinks there's a famine going on, so it clings to every calorie like it's the last one it will ever see. Your metabolism, which is the engine that burns calories, slows down to conserve energy. Not only that, but starving yourself also sets you up for intense cravings. You know what I'm talking about? Those moments of weakness where you just want to devour everything in sight. This leads to binge eating and yo-yo dieting, which is a recipe for disaster. And if that's not bad enough, when you restrict calories too severely, your body starts breaking down muscle for fuel. Muscle loss is the last thing you want when trying to lose weight, because muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. Instead of starving yourself, focus on eating enough, but choosing the right foods. Prioritize high-protein meals and fiber-rich veggies to keep you feeling full and satisfied while giving your body the nutrients it needs. Listen, I love a good sweat session as much as the next person, but if you're spending hours on the treadmill and still not seeing the scale budge, this one's for you. Cardio is awesome for your heart, but it's not the magic bullet for weight loss. Too much cardio, especially without proper fuel, can actually make you hungrier. Your body is craving those calories you burned, and you're more likely to overeat later. Plus, just like with extreme calorie restriction, too much cardio without strength training can lead to muscle loss. Remember, muscle is your friend. It's metabolically active, meaning it burns calories even when you're just sitting around. The fix? Strength training. Don't be afraid to hit the weights. Building muscle is key to boosting your metabolism and transforming your body composition. When you lift weights, you're not just burning calories during your workout, you're also building muscle that continues to torch calories even while you're resting. So ditch the cardio-only mentality and add some strength training to your routine. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. You would be shocked at how many calories people unknowingly drink every single day. Those sugary lattes, fancy smoothies, sodas, and even fruit juices are loaded with hidden calories that can sabotage your weight loss goals faster than you can say sugar rush. I'm talking hundreds of calories in a single drink. And the worst part, liquid calories don't satisfy you the same way solid food does. They spike your blood sugar, leading to energy crashes and cravings later on. Think about it. Would you rather have a healthy, satisfying meal or a sugary drink that leaves you feeling hungry and unsatisfied an hour later? The solution is simple. Swap those sugary drinks for water, black coffee, or green tea. These beverages are calorie-free and will keep you hydrated without the added sugar and empty calories. Trust me, this one simple change can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. You'll be amazed at how quickly those pounds start to melt away when you ditch the liquid sugar bombs. There you have it, the top 3 weight loss mistakes that are probably holding you back from achieving the results you deserve. Stop starving yourself, stop overdoing cardio, and stop drinking your calories, and you'll finally start seeing results. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about making lifestyle changes that you can stick with for the long haul. It's not about quick fixes or extreme measures. It's about finding a balance that works for you and your body. Which of these mistakes have you made? Comment below. And for more weight loss hacks, hit that subscribe button now. Let's do this.